Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas. Today we just got another one ready. This is a 2012 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition. Platinum's the highest trim level you can get in an F-150. It's got all the features on it. On the outside here we got the front tow hooks and the fog lights. It's got a little leveling kit. It's got brand new 35s on it. Just put these on. In fact, you can still see the lines from the new tires in there. Good grip on them. Nice black and chrome throughout. As you can see, great tread on those tires. It is four-wheel drive. It's got the silver platinum badging across the back. Does have the backup radar sensors in it, and it does have a backup camera, I believe, yeah, right here under the logo. Again, with those great tires. Does have a few scratches on it, just cosmetic, no real dents or anything, just a few minor scratches here and there. Inside, of course, we've got the platinum interior, starting with the premium Sony sound system, the standard power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and as you expect on a platinum, folding power mirrors. You've got all three lumbar, forward, back, up, down are all power, along with your memory seats on your driver's seat here. Got platinum embroidered into the seat itself. These are heated and cooled seats on the front. Of course, got a nice sunroof up there as well. Let's go ahead and start it up. It does have remote start, as you can see right here on the key. Starts right up, no hesitation. Has just a hair over 170,000 miles. There are no warning lights on. You've got navigation, backup camera. Of course, over here you got your four-wheel drive and locking differential, built-in trailer brake. Here's your heated and cooled seats for the driver and the passenger. You got Microsoft Sync, which includes your Bluetooth. Lots of media options there as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Lots of room. This is a Super Crew. This is not one of those small crew cabs. This is a Super Crew, so you got a ton of leg room back here. Or you could fold up the seat and probably put a single wide air mattress back here. You do have a built-in inverter as well as a 12-volt charger there. You got platinum embroidered into the seats on the back, power sliding window, and of course those lines across the back mean that it has a defrost. Pretty decent shape on the inside. I should mention that the level kit as well as the tires are brand new on this. I believe it's a 3-inch front and 2 or 2.5 inch on the back. Dash is in good shape. Got all our owner's manuals inside. Go ahead and take a look under the hood at that 3.5 liter EcoBoost. Powerful little engine. Love to get you approved on this truck. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.